For this video, we will learn how to do an Irish. That could be a back Irish, it could be a front Irish. This hair is distracting me. Three components: shuffle, hop, and step. So you want to make 4 sounds or beats. Shuffle is 2, the hop and step are 1. Try getting faster. All right, and we want to do front Irishes. Shuffle to the side, hop, and then step in front. Try that a little faster this time. Go even faster. Great, now we want to do back Irishes. Shuffle to the side, hop, and step in back. Practice time. Try it again a little faster. Now go even faster than that. Let's do an exercise. Do 4 front Irishes and 4 back Irishes. Great. Now try it a little faster this time. You know the drill. Do it again, faster than that. Hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step. Oh my gosh. In this video, oh my gosh, it's like you forget how to be human in front of a camera. For this video, we will, oh my. It's one of those hair days, guys. I just had to put it up on top